Disclaimer: the content here I show is only for education purposes only. I am not responsible for your actions. The views, ideas, knowledge expressed here are solely myself, and nothing to do with the company or the organization in which I am currently working.
There are some most frequently asked questions which we often encounter. How to hack on Android? What are the best apps to hack on Android? But the answer for all of these questions is Termux. But there is a lot of misconception that Termux turns an Android device to a hacking machine. But this is true only for a limited extent. Then the questions arising are: what is Termux? How it works? How to do hacking through Termux? Is it possible to hack a Wi-Fi or any server through Termux? Is it really used to hack web servers? In this tutorial, I will show you everything you need, a basic chapter for Termux. So let's get started. So what is Termux? Termux is a Linux terminal application which helps the user to access the command line interface in a graphical environment. If you are well versed with computers, you will know what shells and command line is. So what is shell? Shell is a command line interface or a program you can say which takes in the commands given by the user and instructs the operating system to perform tasks on the basis of commands given by the user. So there are three types of shells mainly. There are C shell, born shell, born again shell. Most of the Linux distributions have born again shell. In short form, they will be called bash format. Well, you came to know that Termux is a Linux terminal application for Android. But why is it so famous for? Why is it so called the hacking machine? Well, that's true, but it's a piece of false information too. As we have already discussed, Termux is just an application which takes in the data given by the user and instructs the operating system to do so. Well, we have observed many Linux distributions such as Kali Linux parent OS which run the scripts through the operating system. The same scripts which are made for pen testing can be used on Termux. So on Android we completely get a GUI environment where these tools with command line utility won't work. That is where Termux is used to install these tools of command line utility. Android is a modified version of Linux kernel, so we can use bash scripting in it. That's what the introduction of Termux. Now let's start our installation. Let's see the installation. There is no complex process to install Termux. It's pretty easy actually. It will be available in your Google Play Store. See, I will be showing you the installation steps. Just go to Google Play Store and search for Termux. Yes, this is the app. Just click on it and install it. It's just 161 KB. You can see here. Just accept it. Now as you can see, it is installing. It has already downloaded. It's just 161 KB. So in this video, I have gone through all the introduction and installation of Termux. In our next videos, we will be putting posts on ethical hacking using Termux and Kali Linux too. So subscribe our channel now to get notified as soon as we upload a new video. If you have liked the video, click on the like button, and if you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below. Thank you.